And we had a question from Rex, I believe, about talking about blood pressure medications and taking Cardio Miracle at the same time, and how he says about, let me read it. So, have people found that blood pressure medications eventually can be eliminated? I started on Cardio Miracle about 2 weeks ago, but have been on blood pressure medications for about 9 years. So, wondering what positive effects might result from Cardio Miracle. And I love that question, Rex. And I do apologize that you have been on that prescription for 9 years, but I understand it. And so, what I've recently heard from a customer actually is that there was a concern that they were taking the same amount of their blood pressure medication, and then they were kind of uptaking, or they were front loading Cardio Miracle to start, and then their blood pressure just tanked. It went super low, like dangerously low. And so I want to caution against that and make sure that you are watching that, and that you start with one serving a day and build up to it. And then watch that with your doctor so that your doctor can adjust your medications. That's the only like official like advice I can give you on that one. So do you have anything to add, Lisa?
No, no, I think that's exactly true because you know what? Once the body starts getting back into balance, right? And a lot of people are not aware of that. They just keep taking their medications, they keep taking Cardi Miracle. And many, I can't even count, probably thousands of people have been in that same position. And then they started monitoring and going, wow, I was able to either cut it in half or get rid of it altogether.
Exactly. It's very self-regulating as well
Right.
as you're watching it. And so
Yeah.
what Cardio Miracle will do, or I dare say just nitric oxide in general will do, is it's going to be the master regulator in your blood. And so it is going to go into your blood, it's going to find out where your levels need to be. And so you'll find out, just like I have, that 120 over 80 is high for me. 120 over 80 is not normal for me, because I am consistently at 104 over 60 in my blood pressure. And so if I like, even if I get up to 120 over 80, I would think that that's high for me. So it just depends on what your body is regulated at. And yeah, I've lost 200 pounds. I go out running every single day. I do the stuff, I do the steps. I got 26,000 steps today. I intermittent fast. I sleep 8 hours a night. Like, I'm trying to do everything right. And so the thing is my new level, my new baseline is a lot different than it was when I was almost 500 pounds. And so, but we need to watch that and document it as well as we can.
Yep.
So, yeah, anything to add there, Lisa?
No, it's perfectly said.
Okay, thank you. All right,
Perfect.
she hit me with a hard one right here. So can it help the damage my son's vaping is doing to his lungs? What do you think,
Wow.
Lisa? That's a hard one.
I would just
Yeah.
say any nutrient is gonna help. You
Yeah.
know, when you look at vaping or, you know, Dr. Artis, I suggest if you haven't already, if you don't know about Dr. Artis, he talks about, you know, how nicotine is actually helpful, especially
Yeah.
post COVID. But, you know, vaping, we've heard the dangers of vaping. We won't even go into that. But
Mhm.
I would just say any nutrients, you know, because that's how your body heals. When we don't have nutrients, our body can't heal. So I would definitely say if you could get 2 to 4 scoops. And also, isn't it interesting that we have found that when people start taking the Cardio Miracle, their cravings go away. Their addictive
100%. That's what
tendencies
I
go
was gonna
away.
say. Yes, we're
Yeah.
Lisa, we're just on the same wavelength. I love it.